They just were very organized. You could tell they wanted to customize it exactly to fit our needs. And we knew we were going to get the end product that we really were looking for.
Yeah, I think for us, number one was their professionalism, their attention to detail, their willingness to meet in person, and the constant communication, and then ultimately really just trying to achieve the vision that we ultimately had for the basement. I think my favorite feature is the wine wall. It's pretty unique. We've seen it just a few times online and actually in a local restaurant, but it's a great centerpiece and conversation starter for hosting.
I do love that, but really I love the built-in for storage. I love the shiplap in the background. It just it's more than I even expected it was going to be. We got exactly what we wanted, and they made it very easy on us, which was great.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.